Need your assistance.
What did you need my assistance for in my room?
Just come here.
No, why could you not just get outside and come out of
Because I'm lazy.
What just happened?
I might need a band-aid.
From what?
From the, I guess the wood cut me or something. I don't know.
I'm definitely not.
Band-aids.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm definitely not.
Okay, I can handle
I'm not. I'm not editing this out because you caught him in the middle of his house too.
Oh,
The
that
middle
was
of
the
his.
video.
You done.
Dude, you didn't save that thing and post it.
I'm going to keep it and let it happen. Let it be. Let it be. I can't sing for a crap.
Let it go. Let
I
it
hate that
go.
song. Let it grow. Let it grow. Cause I can't play it for crap. Now let's continue. Welcome to the. What is it again? Random gamers.
Random game.
Random gamers. Jesus Christ! I made up with it too.
Hey.
And we're doing which you.
Stop what you're doing on radio. What are you talking about? Goodbye.
Who, me?
Goodbye.
Okay, Prince. See you later.
It got. Anyway, it says, and now I'm Michael. This is.
No, you're Michelle Obama. Oh my God! Edit it out.
I said Michael.
You're Michelle Obama.
I said screw you. And that's not. And I'm not gonna edit this out.
Ow!
He flipped his phone. I landed at like the most awkward spot there could be. Not only that, I'm wearing my headset a little bit weird. Okay, you could have the most. Okay, I'm gonna put like the mic right here. You can have the most powerful.
Oh my God! I'm uncomfortable.
Yeah, just scoot into the mic. You can have the most powerful gaming PC with free upgrades
Oh, sorry.
of your choosing for life. Now this is I'm probably not gonna pick it.
Yeah, I want to.
Yeah, I would pick it. I mean, Steam has everything. Do you see what Steam has?
Have?
Do you know what Steam has? Do you know what Steam has? Where the fudge is Steam?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Steam.
Oh, you have Photoshop on there?
Steam.
You just passed it.
I use that to okay, look at this. You can just go to the games. Look what I have.
Nothing.
Look.
You have 3 games and one of them's not even downloaded.
Shut up. Store, fudge, feature, explore. Look at all of this.
Oh no! Watch this.
There's Rocket League. There's fudge games. A lot of them.
No, here, watch this. Go back to this game, guy. Did you close us? Oh, of course you did.
Are you watching One Piece?
What? Never mind. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. you did.
Anyways, continue with this and click F11 and. That's a bad. Yeah, kind of good. 60 people would get Steam away or taken away
60
from.
people, no, more like
60%.
18,865.
60% of the people would rather not have Steam.
Matey.
I mean-
didn't use Steam in the. Who doesn't use Steam in the first?
How do you not use Steam if you don't know what that is?
He probably doesn't even know what it is.
Yeah, I'll just play Minecraft. Yeah, screw you.
Well, yeah, but that'll get boring after a while.
Yeah, believe it or not, actually I know a website that you can play Steam games for free though. You can become an immortal vampire. What the fudge? And you have your own cast.